Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to report a buyer in Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So now, after you confirm a sale with a buyer, so after that the sale is finished, you will need to go to the inbox or to the messages between you and your buyer. And basically, after you will go, you will find it in the inbox. So you can either in selling or in buying, and then you will go to your selling, and you will find here your buyer name here, and then you will click on it and basically you will find these options, and one of the options is report buyer. Here in my case I have just report seller, but it can apply also to the buyers, and you click on the report buyer and then you will just give the reason why you want to report them, and then you continue the procedure of Facebook, and then you will submit your report to Facebook and then it will be sent to them. So basically this is how you can report a buyer on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you next time.